Chevrolet Evanda 2000 to 2006. This car has stood here so long that it's literally turning into a bush. Nature is slowly reclaiming what was once a comfortable family sedan. In the summer, the thick greenery makes this sight even more surreal. Another relic frozen in time on the streets of Kyiv. A sad transformation from a road machine to part of the city landscape. Chevrolet Takuma 2000 to 2008. A broken rear window and a dented door suggest some kind of accident. Maybe a motorcycle hit it, or something heavy fell on it. It looks quite strange. What's even weirder is why it was abandoned. These damages are easily fixable. The body is mostly solid, with just a few rust spots starting to bleed through. A decent car left to rot for no apparent reason. Volkswagen Passat B5 Plus 2000 to 2005. It is truly abandoned. Inside the trunk and cabin, engine parts are just scattered around. A dead engine, the war, and its foreign registration plates made restoration totally pointless. Its only future is the scrapyard. It's simply not worth saving anymore. Moskvitch 2137 1976 to 1985. It stood still since the start of the full-scale war, only to disappear in the summer of 2024. These are some of the last frames of this car, a piece of history that slipped away. Ford Scorpio 1985 to 1994. At first, I didn't like these photos, but now they feel like a perfect record of the past. I have no idea how long it stood there, but it looked like it had been part of the street for years. It's a classic European sedan that was once a symbol of comfort, now left to the elements. If I remember correctly, this car vanished shortly after, sometime in the summer of 2023. These processed images are all that's left of its long stay on this spot. Another iron ghost that finally found its way out of the neighborhood. Geely 2006 to 2014 Malawian Quachas. It's been sitting here for a long time, with the interior covered in thick dust from the shattered windshield. The crash damage is already rusting away, showing just how long it's been neglected. Flat tires and wheels sinking into the ground prove that nature is taking over. . Surrounded by weeds, it's clear the owner has completely given up on this vehicle. At this point, any attempt at restoration would cost way more than the car is worth. Skoda Rapid 5D 2013 to 2023. It doesn't look completely abandoned yet. Maybe it's been sitting here for about a year. Two tires are flat, and it's gathering dirt. What do you think? Is it a trash find or worth a look? Let me know in the comments. Round pushpin location, Borshchahivka district, Kyiv. He yelled, "Don't you fucking do anything." I just walked away and waited. I returned to this yard later and photographed everything. This Chery, the Skoda, and the Mazda. Another aggressive owner. If your car is rotting in public, it's going on my channel. Mazda 6 GG 2002 to 2007. Typical tough courtyards of the Borshchahivka district, where everyone plays by their own rules. It looks like it hasn't moved for a long time, slowly becoming a permanent part of the landscape. The body is starting to show its age, with rust and dirt taking over the classic Japanese lines. Another car that was once someone's pride, now just occupying a piece of a green zone. Daewoo Matiz 2000 to 2016. When I first found it, it was already in this state, just looked a bit fresher. People keep sticking ads on the windows, and others keep tearing them off. It has become a permanent part of the Obolon landscape, forgotten by its owner. Daewoo Leganza 1997 to 2008. Back then, the rear tires were just starting to lose air, but now it's clearly going nowhere. The owner tried to sell it for around $1,700, but apparently no one was interested. Now it just continues to rot on Obolon, a failed deal frozen in time. BMW E36 3 Series 1990 to 2001. After it burned, vandals stripped it of everything they could, leaving only the wheels. It stood here for about 5 years, maybe even longer according to the locals. For a while, it clearly served as a shelter for homeless people. It's a sad end for such a desirable classic, especially in its original stock form. Eventually, this shell was towed away, leaving only a memory on Obolon. Stay tuned. Tonight I'll show you another E36 from the same district. Renault Master 1998 to 2003. What What's interesting is the registration. It was re-registered as recently as 2021. It's as if the new owner bought it, put it on the road, and then just gave up on it. Parts of the van are already being stripped away, bit by bit. Another working horse that won't be carrying any cargo anytime soon. Another working horse that won't be carrying any cargo anytime soon. ZES 968M 1970 to 1994. Finding an IAZ Zaporozhets in the Lukyanivka district is like finding a time capsule. Its bright red paint is fading under the dust, but the soul of this air-cooled legend is still there. Once a symbol of freedom for many, it now sits motionless, watching the modern city rush by.